Hi everybody, this is Vinny with Excel Distance Calculators, home of some of the most versatile Excel tools out there. My goal for the last 14-15 years has been to empower a lot of my users by giving them access to tools that can make them more efficient and be able to do a lot more with a lot less time. Today is a very interesting tool that has been requested by some of my clients. It is a USPS Address Verification Tool, also known as an address cleanser tool. What this tool does is it uses the power of Excel and it combines it with, we use Google Maps API to verify, cleanse, and fix or correct a certain list of addresses. So let me kind of show you how it works. First, a little bit about my tools. All my tools are built in Excel. A lot of them use a third-party API, such as Google Maps API. So you will need to get a Google Maps API key to use this tool. I've got a video on that. It takes about 2 or 3 minutes. Extremely easy to use. Google allows for free 40,000 calculations every month. After that, charges $5 per 1,000, but for a lot of my clients, 40,000 calculations a month are more than enough. So without further ado, let me show you how this thing works. Once you download the tool, you enter a list of your incomplete addresses, or the addresses that we want to cleanse. In this case, as you can see, some of them, this one is missing a city. It does have a zip code, but it doesn't have a city, state. Kind of same with these. It's kind of missing a country, etc. So as you can see, this tool will use and cleanse, is able to cleanse addresses from all over the world. Once I've entered this, all I got to do is click on Run, and the tool will actually cleanse and fix the addresses that I have. This is especially important for people that maybe have a mailing list of addresses for their customers, and they need to kind of standardize and cleanse it, and the tool is great for that. As you can see, it does that in 2 formats. The first format is where the whole address is in one cell, and also for your convenience, it will break it down where we have, address in a cell, city in another, state in another, zip code and country. It also provides, if needed, latitude and longitude for those addresses. And again, it gives you both of those formats for your convenience, depending on how your data is structured. And really should be as easy as that. This tool can do this for 3 addresses, 300 or 3,000 or 30,000 addresses. And it's a great tool to kind of cleanse your addresses, make sure that you're mailing your customers, the mailing addresses for your customers are the correct ones. You can download the tool by the link in the description of this video, and also my phone number and email will be there. If I can assist with any of that, by all means, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and until next time.